You guys, baby's in the living room sleeping right now, okay? He always goes to sleep, leave me up with Tyler in the day when he's home. So I'm trying to prank him in his sleep. So I have this whipped cream. So I'm gonna throw some in a container and put it on his face while he's sleeping. So let's see if this will work. Wish me luck.
Just a little bit. It's a good thing you missed it completely.
You sleep too much. Why you always go sleep leave me when you're home with Tyler? Huh? Why?
It's 10 minutes to work.
Recover from.
Recover from this.
Recover.
Recover from a hard week.
You sorry for him? Babe, look at my cushion.
Who complained? You think it's me who did that? And she said to not to when you sleep not put my mouth on the cushion or I'm gonna.
Ah, got you good. Not to sleep. Not to sleep. I can't stop laughing. Tell us it, Papa. Tell us you sorry for you. Papa, babe, how was that? You got pranked? You got pranked? You're not answering. You're not answering.
No.
You guys, I got him real good. Every single time we go on the road and come back, babe goes to sleep, leave me and Tyler. So that's to show him that he's not supposed to go to sleep and leave me, or else he's going to get whipped. Okay, you're going to get whipped, my love. So you don't go to sleep, leave me again. All right, babe. So I finally get to achieve my very first prank. Why? What you doing? Are you? I just got you creepy. I just got him creeping up behind me and he tried to frighten me, but that didn't really work.
Oh, that works. When you see your action, that works.
So he tried to frighten me around the corner.
And that works.
So I'm here cleaning up his mess that he made. But at least I get to prank him and he's wide awake right now. Not to go to sleep, leave me. So I have accomplished my first prank. And that's good. Not to go to sleep, leave me. What do you have to say for yourself, honey?
Revenge.
You wish. You win. Yes, baby. And Tyler is here calling Mama, Mama. He's wide awake. He's wide awake. He's wide awake. And I'm sure he's going to stay awake for the rest of his life. Alright, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little short video. See you guys in our next video. Bye.